Hey guys!
Hey guys!
It's S&C.
It's
You know what that means?
That means
Hey guys, it's S&C. You know what that means? We're Snapchat.
what? It's Sophia!
And Christy.
And right now, it is currently snowing. It's like 3 feet of snow
And
outside.
today, we're going to show you what to do on a snow day.
Whoa.
We're going to be giving you 6 things to do. Wait, giving or teaching? Teaching. We're going to be teaching you 6 things to do on a snow day when you're bored. And one of them,
playing in the snow. Idea number 1.
face masks.
Yeah, so with this idea, you can make a homemade face mask.
And you know, in the winter, our face all gets crumbly and disgusting, and you don't like that. Olive oil, lemon juice, a measuring cup, and the Sophia. Since we don't have an actual lemon, we're just gonna eyeball it.
Then add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
Idea number 2.
Snow cream! So what you want to do is find a good spot of snow
Or
that
your dog
no one
didn't pee
peed
on it and hasn't been touched.
After you've collected your non-peed on snow, you can pick a coffee creamer of your choice. We decided to go with Samoa's. Idea number 3.
Fire. So, we're Girl Scouts, and we know how to build a fire. And if you don't, we might teach you.
But do it with your parents around.
18 and
kids.
plus.
Oh, I just put my hand in snow and it... So we had a fire, as you can see, and so when that happens, just make a fake fire with some paper that looks like kind of warm. Idea number 4. Binge watch.
Binge watching Netflix.
Favorite show.
And we're going to give you some ideas on what to watch. Idea number 5.
Hot cocoa.
to bake something for you guys, and we're going to show you. It's going to be simple, easy, something to bake if you're at home and you're bored and you're hungry. Okay, are you ready for this? Oh, no. What's in this? Wait, and then now we're gonna say bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Wait. You see that?
Thank you guys for watching
our video.
Comment down below more videos you want to see, and
give us some ideas. Subscribe to us. Like this video for more.
And
we'll see you guys later.
On the flip side.